Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the Iottie base, ball joint, cradle, and release tab. This avoids interruptions. Clean the dash or windshield with an alcohol wipe, then wait 30 to 60 seconds so adhesive bonds well. Once done, position the mount at a 0 to 15 degrees tilt. This gives optimal sight lines without glare. Press firmly for 30 seconds, apply steady pressure to the center, and let the adhesive cure undisturbed. This step prevents later loosening and ensures safety while drying. Now attach the ball joint into the cradle socket and tighten the rear locking plate until resistance feels snug but not over-tightened. This controls swivel tension. Place your phone between the arms and squeeze until the auto lock clicks. Confirm the bottom lip supports the device. Then rotate and tilt the mount to frame the screen. Make small adjustments while locking the knob to prevent drift. Make sure ports are accessible for charging. This preserves one-hand release and keeps your view unobstructed. Finish by testing stability. Drive over a short, slow stretch or tap the dash to simulate bumps and retorque the joint if you feel wobble. To remove your phone, press the release tab and lift. Never force the arms apart since that wears the mechanism. If the adhesive starts lifting, swap in the included mounting disc or replace the adhesive pad. This restores bond strength quickly. If problems persist, check for dirt under the pad, clean and reapply, and retest to confirm a secure hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.